Welcome to the installation and demonstration tutorial for WordPress plugin Theme Showcase by themepoints.com. Theme Showcase is available in both free and pro version. You can download the free version from wordpress.org or from your WordPress dashboard, and the free version is available on themepoints.com. To install the plugin, you need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once logged in, go to Add New Plugins from the Plugins tab on the left hand side. Now search for Theme Showcase and scroll down to Theme by themepoints.com. Click on Install Now, and once installed, click on Activate to activate the plugin. To add new members to your Theme Showcase display, simply go to Theme Showcase on the left hand side and click Add New Member. Once you're in the Add New Members page, you'll see the fields to add your team members information. The team groups on the left side allows you to categorize your team members. The settings for that can be found on the left hand side under Theme Showcase plugin tab. Team groups is similar to creating post categories. You can create categories to display them on your page. Now back to adding new members. You can input the team members' personal information and social profile links on the designated fields. On the right side, you can set their profile image and a group that they belong to. Once you're done adding all your team members, it is time to create shortcode by clicking Create Shortcode from the Theme Showcase tab. First, give your shortcode a name. Here you can see a shortcode that you will need to paste in order to showcase your team members. The tabs above are settings that you can modify to design the shortcode to your likings. You can select which group members you would like to display, along with selecting the variations of designs that you'd like to display on the page. You can also play around with different settings to make it look the way you want it. You will also see that some options are only available for the Pro version. The Pro version can be found on the link below on our description. The General Settings tab allows you to modify the colors and the fonts of your showcase. The Social and the Pop-up Box Setting tab allows you to modify the social icons and the pop-up display, and it is only available on the Pro version. A link to the Pro version can be found in the description. The last tab provides support links to our forums in case you need any additional support with this plugin. Now let's go back to the shortcode tab and test out our Theme Showcase shortcode that we just created. Simply copy the shortcode and paste it onto a page, post, or a widget. Before that, you must publish the shortcode that you just created. For our demonstration, we'll paste this shortcode onto a new page. After pasting the shortcode onto our page, we can see the preview of the first theme that we have selected for our shortcode. If you would like to change the theme of the shortcode that you have just created, you can go back to All Shortcodes and click on Edit on your shortcode that you have created in order to change the theme or any other settings for your shortcode. Thank you for your interest in our plugin. We hope this plugin will be very useful for your website. The rest of the demonstration will show you the variations of designs that is available on the free version of our plugin, Theme Showcase. Don't forget to check out the Pro version of our plugin, which contains over 25 themes and additional features. Link provided in the description below.